Welcome to MindVero channel. Hello everybody. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and just felt a sense of wonder? Today we are going on a journey into the vast, beautiful, and sometimes downright bizarre expanse of space. We'll pull back the curtain on discoveries that sound like science fiction, but are real. Signals, visitors between the stars, nebulae that defy imagination, and more. All right, let's start with something that has had people talking for decades. Imagine it's 1977. Jerry Amon is listening to the universe with a giant radio telescope. And then, for 72 seconds, a powerful narrowband radio signal appears, unlike natural signals they'd seen before. Jerry grabbed a red pen, circled the data, and in the margin wrote one word: wow. It became known simply as the wow signal. The signal came from the direction of Sagittarius, a part of sky with no obvious candidate stars. With all our advanced telescopes, we've pointed back at that spot again and again. And what did we hear? Nothing. Absolute silence. Was it a message from an intelligence or an unknown natural phenomenon? No one knows. Now let's bring our journey a bit closer to home. For decades, a story has circulated about a mysterious object known as the Black Knight satellite. Space enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists stitched together sightings and odd radio echoes into a legend. The famous STS-88 image from 1998 showed a dark, angular shape. For many, a smoking gun. Forums lit up. Theories ranged from ancient alien probes to monitoring devices. NASA says the object was likely a lost thermal blanket. The radio echoes? Natural ionospheric effects. Alien probe or stitched-together myth? The mystery endures. Speaking of visitors, in 2017 astronomers caught sight of an intruder from between the stars. They named it Oumuamua, a messenger from afar arriving first. It wasn't a typical comet or asteroid. It was long, thin, and tumbling as it zipped through our system. Its path proved it came from outside our solar system, just passing through. Most puzzling, as it left, it accelerated in a way gravity couldn't explain, yet we saw no outgassing. Some scientists proposed wild ideas: a solar sail, an artificial probe. Most favor a natural explanation we haven't nailed down. Whatever it was, it's gone now, continuing its silent journey into the dark between stars. Next up, an object so cold it redefines chill, the Boomerang Nebula. We leave Oumuamua behind and head to a place colder than almost anything we know. Meet the Boomerang Nebula, a ghostly bow tie about 5,000 light-years away. A dying star is ejecting gas at incredible speed, and that expanding gas cools dramatically. Think of an aerosol can getting cold when you spray it. Expansion cools things down. The Boomerang Nebula measures about 1 degree Kelvin, 1 degree above absolute zero. That's minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 272 degrees Celsius. Astonishingly close to absolute zero. A beautiful, frigid ghost created by a dying star. A reminder of extremes out there. Now, something that looks almost spiritual in its grandeur. This is the hand of God, an X-ray image tied to the pulsar PSRB 150958. A tiny, rapidly spinning pulsar spews energetic particles that sculpt the surrounding gas. The pulsar is only about 12 miles across, but spins around 7 times each second. Those particles trace magnetic field lines, lighting up filaments that resemble a giant hand. It's a scene of immense power and delicate beauty. The bright knots mark where the wind slams into gas. The structure stretches for around 175 light-years, a hand big enough to cradle our solar system. If you're enjoying this cosmic tour, please like and subscribe to MindVero for more videos like this. It helps us bring these stories to you. Thank you. Now, a discovery that sounds like a jeweler's dream. 55 Cancri E orbits a star in Cancer about 40 light-years away. It's a super-Earth, roughly twice Earth's size and 8 times its mass. Scientists think the planet is carbon-rich. Under pressure, huge amounts of carbon could become diamond. Much of its interior may be diamond, a planet with an interior like a gemstone. It's far too extreme to visit, but the idea fires our imagination. Exoplanets can be wildly different. Rock worlds, gas giants, and even diamond worlds. Next, something fast, dense, and unstoppable, the Cannonball Pulsar. We've seen cold and we've seen sparkle. Now let's talk about speed. Meet the Cannonball Pulsar, a tiny dead star moving like a bullet through our galaxy. Imagine squashing the sun down into a city-sized ball. That's the kind of density we're dealing with. Born in a violent asymmetrical supernova, it was kicked out like shrapnel. It travels at nearly 700 miles per second, enough to go New York to LA in about 4 seconds. It leaves a glowing trail, a bow shock, heating interstellar gas as it plows forward. It's moving so fast it may eventually escape the Milky Way, becoming an intergalactic exile. Astronomers follow its trail back to the supernova, a cosmic crime scene of sorts. The glowing tail tells the story of the violence that created it. Some of the strangest finds come from citizen scientists. In fact, a Dutch schoolteacher named Hanny van Arkel found something unexpected. A glowing green blob of gas floating near a galaxy, with no stars inside it. Astronomers were baffled. What could light up such a cloud without stars? The answer? A quasar, an energetic galactic core, once lit up the gas like a cosmic flashlight. The quasar later faded. The light is a delayed echo, still reaching the cloud years later. Since Hanny's discovery, astronomers have found more beautiful green ghosts of dead quasars. Each one is a clue to violent episodes in galactic histories. They're eerie, green echoes of cosmic violence. So far, signals, shadows, interstellar visitors, frozen nebulae, pulsars, and glowing ghosts. But we're not done. Now, a galaxy that appears to be missing something important, a galaxy without its ghost. Astronomers pointed Hubble at a faint smudge and found something astonishing. NGC 1052 DF2 looks ghostly, so transparent you can see galaxies behind it. But the shock came from motion measurements. The stars move slowly. Normal galaxies need dark matter to hold fast-moving stars in place. DF2 doesn't. It appears to have little to no dark matter, a galaxy missing its ghost. This challenges how astronomers think galaxies form. Dark matter is supposed to be the seed. It's like finding a forest with no soil, puzzling and profound. Is it a fluke or new physics? The debate continues. This ghost galaxy remains one of the sky's most intriguing questions. For our final wonder, we come home, to the center of our Milky Way. Using infrared, astronomers found an X-shaped bulge right in the galactic center. It's formed by orbital dynamics, a bar that sculpts stars into looping X-shaped orbits. The X confirms what models predicted. Our galaxy is a dynamic living system. From a single wow to diamond planets and ghost galaxies, space surprises us at every turn. These discoveries connect us to the universe and to ourselves. When we look up, we're also looking in, at the same elements and forces that make us. Keep asking questions, keep looking up, and never lose your sense of wonder. Thank you for sharing this time with me on Mindvero. Until next time, live your best life.